doing? Get over here!
Whoa, man, watch what you're doing, dude!
Yeah, Mr. Burr, what's up?
TJ, watch what you're doing! You're on rake duty!
Okay, Mr. Burr.
TJ, get over here! Hold this rope!
Okay.
TJ, go get us lunch! There's a Rally's on the corner!
Okay. Okay, Mr. Burr. You guys want big Butrets, right?
Oh, TJ, now Saul's in the front! TJ, you idiot! You ran over $900 saws, you idiot!
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Burr.
Take this saw to Taryl. Tell him to fix it.
All right, Mr. Burr, I'll do that for you.
Oh, hey TJ, how you doing? I hear you're working for Timber Tree Service now, huh? How's that working out?
Oh, hey, Taryl. Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
You don't even know the name of the place you work at?
No, I do. It's Timber Tree and Log Service.
I see you got a saw there, TJ. What's wrong with it?
You know what, Taryl? I don't really know. He didn't tell me. But, I think it has something to do with safety brake, maybe? Here, take a look.
Hey! That thing needs more than a safety brake. Looks like somebody run it over. This thing looks completely destroyed.
Yeah, Tim ran the saw over this morning. I don't know what he was thinking.
TJ, this saw is junk. You might as well tell Mr. Burr that he needs a new saw. So you might as well just take this back with you.
Oh, alright, Taryl. I'll tell him.
Okay, stay out of trouble, TJ.
Alright.
Stay out of trouble.
Alright.
And tell your mom I said hey.
Okay, Taryl.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Pterodactyl here. And today I'm going to show you how to replace this safety hand guard on one of these Stihl chainsaws. They use this exact same guard on the 029, the 039, the MS 290, the MS 310, and the MS 390. It's all the same model saw. So what happens is a lot of times people drop a tree on this or run it over with their pickup truck and break this guard off. So, and then once they get into it, it's like, oh man, how do I get that thing off? That looks pretty involved. Well, it's pretty simple for me, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is that Torx bit that they use on everything. Take this screw out, if it's left, and that little sleeve. And then you got to pull the bar and the chain off. And then I'll show you how to pull that cover and get the other part of it off. Pop this little bumper off with a screwdriver. Sometimes these are missing on the saw, but if you have one on there, take it off. Remove these two screws for the cover. Okay, make sure it's released. Now you got to take off this little C-clip. Be careful, you don't want it to go flying. And then let's pop this spring off with a screwdriver. Pop that off. Remember which way that goes. That hook's in there. Take that off. Now we can take this plate off that I took that clip off of. And you'll see it's on a slot. So once you get it off, just push it forward and take this off. Then there's a little spacer under here, little black spacer. Take that off. Now, this little pin here, you gotta get this off that pin and get this off of here. So once we've got it removed there, just kind of slide it up and off. Pop this brake band out too. Get that off. Now I should be able to slide this up and off. This would be the broken piece. Come on, you gotta wiggle it. It'll come. Might have to get a screwdriver under there. All right. Now it's off. See, this piece will come out now. Clean this all up real good in here so you can see what you're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to act like this is the new part, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall it. Okay, be careful when you're cleaning this out and blowing it out in here. You don't blow this little spring off, and it goes flying and you lose it. So you want to be careful because that thing will pop off of there. Alright, so say this is the new part to replace because you done broke yours because you ran it over a pickup truck. Get it started on this pin back here. It's a little tricky. And then slide this edge back over. Oh, you got to kind of work it in there. And then get this part ready to line up on there. Alright, now you're going to have to reach in there with a screwdriver and pry down on this to get that out of the way so you can push down on this guard and start shoving everything down in there. See? You got to move this, so try to use this as a pivot point to move that to get that down. Alright, we got that down. Now take your brake band. Oh, I should have cleaned this up. And you're going to want to get this on here. Get that hooked in there. Roll it over. And tuck it in. Put that in there. Real simple. Screwdriver helps if you want to push it down. Alright, so now we got that in. Now we got to put our little spacer back on. Now our bar. Big end first, slide it down, stick it on over. Come on, baby. Oh, somebody's pizza man's here. Oh, here comes our supper. Okay, we're done with dinner. Back to the putting this on. Alright, so like I was telling you, got this on. You might have to take a little screwdriver and get that on. Now we got to put that clip on there. Put that clip on there, squeeze it. Come on, little clippy. There we go. Now I got to get this spring on. We got to get that spring latched back on this pin back here. Now how you gonna do that, Taryl? With this. You know what this is? This is a piece of 5/16 tubing. Got from the auto parts store. It's probably fuel line. See how that fits over that pin? 5/16 tubing. And it fits through the spring. See? Another tool. Another Taryl's tool. Looky there. Popped it right back on. All I did was slide that spring over that tubing and pushed it down and then took a piece of tubing out. Simple as that. Got to be thinking all the time. See? Now that works. Now you got it back together. Now you got to put the cover back on. Come on, cover. Come on, cover. There we go. Put your 2 screws in. Be careful if you're using one of these. You don't want to strip them out. Put that little bumper back on, then you can put your bar and chain back on. If you don't have these, if it's missing, go to the store and buy them. Now this side. Now all we got to do is put this screw back in. Careful again if you're using a tool or using hand tools. And that's all there is to changing out one of these brake handles on one of these Stihl chainsaws. And as always, there's your dinner. There's my dinner. I'm gonna finish that pizza.
TJ, what are you doing?
I'm just gassing up the saw, Mr. Burr.
That's straight gas.
Oh, yeah.
Turn in your traps. You're fired.
Oh,
Get out of here.
oh. Whatever. I'm out of here. I don't need this job.
Out of here.